Okay, today's challenge is to do something that doesn't look necessary. It's to replace this panel and the one like it on the other side on this 2013 R56 Mini Cooper hatchback. This one has no apparent issues with it. It looks like a perfectly good, fine piece of trim, but I can tell you, having had it off to replace the windshield, do other work inside, that most of the clips holding it on are broken. It's doing an admirable job of hanging in there, but I've got some new ones and might as well put them on. And the new ones are far aftermarket, read cheap, from one of the no-name vendors that pops up, and they came delivered for under 50 bucks a pair, well packaged. So let's take a look what they look like unwrapped. Okay, nice touch. They come with a piece of protective saran wrap, trademark, stretched over the device. And this is where you go hold it against the original before you tear the original off, just to make sure. Looks like it's going to fit, and yes indeed it does. So let's get it on. This should be a simple process. First thing is to pull this little piece of trim off, which comes off just like that. Yours might be a little more fighty than that one because it might not have been off for a while. Let's open the door now. Okay, the next step is to pull down the trim, and you can see this just pulls straight down. It's very simple. You can see there is one of the little clips left that hold it on the inside. So while it probably would have been reasonably okay, it's better to have it connected all the way down. So just need a regular Phillips head to release these. Okay, the 4 screws are out, and now it's time to pull the panel, which really should be pretty simple. You have to pop off the little pins, little posts that are inside, and I see one of them stayed in the car. You can see where they are supposed to be here. So this one's obviously got a little issue. Got to pry it out separately. Okay. Okay, so there's the old one out, and happily the new one doesn't really need those because it's already got 4 new ones installed, and that's good because they do get brittle. And this one's got new anti-rattle little washers on the bottom that interface between the plastic part and the body to keep things smooth and not noise free. So let's go ahead and get this one in. Okay, you need to put the bottom one in first, so you need to slide it around the little niche down there in the bottom. Maybe you have to wiggle things around, and then just watch to make sure that you're getting the other little pins in the right holes, and should just be a matter of tapping them home. There we go. All right, now we go around and check to see if the holes line up. And yes, indeed they do. So let's put the screws in. All right, all 4 screws in place. Now we just push the trim back in place. Last step is to put this piece of trim back in. Be sure to leave a little bit of a gap down here, because that's going to be required for getting the hood open. But it should just push right on. And there you have it, folks. You've replaced a windshield pillar trim piece for about 22 bucks delivered, so not bad. Gonna do the other side real time, probably fast forward, so you can see the process from beginning to end without interruption.